In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and manipulate images in your essay, regardless of what the essay is. I've added this title image, and if I want to change it, I go up here to Picture Format, and I can play around with the color. Let's say I decide I want to go with something stylized. I can do that, but that means that all the other images in the essay need to be stylized like this. And if I decide to frame this by using this picture frame tool, then all of the pictures need to be framed. And so I go through the essay, say that's the way I would like it to be. I come down here and I look at some of the other images, and this one I need to make sure that if I've chosen that stylized look, that I go with that same stylized look. That's a little more, you see this range of possibilities here. And when I move it around on the page, it's going to cause the other words to change. So I want to make sure I get it placed exactly right. And then I'm going to add variety by adding pictures to the left and pictures to the right so that the reader is interested as they go along. And I want to make sure that the image is as clear as I can make it. This image came from the actual film itself. And once again, since we are writing this essay for the purposes of the class, it's fine to use images. And you don't need to cite the images because we're only using this in the classroom setting. And so I go through the entire essay like this and make sure that all the images are framed if that's the way I've chosen to go. If the color is a little too stylized or not stylized enough or whatever I've chosen, I want to make sure I stay in that zone. I go through the remainder of the essay, and when I get everything all correct, then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save this as a Word document, of course, to my file, and then I'm going to save it as a PDF, and that will lock each of these images into place so that they are not moving around or just tacked in at the end, but so that they are placed carefully within the essay itself. That concludes this tutorial.